What is going on YouTube? Back at it again with another great video, and today we're just going to be doing some maintenance, going to do an oil change, and also I will be putting on a ground kit that was sent by Jamie Shaw on Instagram. I'll give you guys his IG link in the description. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and comment if you have any questions or concerns about anything that I'm doing in today's video. And I also wanted to just say again, give out another shout out to Jamie Shaw for sending me out this kit. It's supposed to help improve the power balance inside of any motor, but specifically this one was crafted for my IVQ, my little 350 going on right here. Unfortunately, I can only put on this side, which goes to the ground, to the battery. I can't put on the one for the timing cover because I don't know exactly where I should be able to be landing this and grounding it to on this side of the car. So until I figure that out, I'll make another video or give you guys an update on my Instagram or on my social media somewhere of where to put the second one, because I do have a rev up and I believe this is for a non-rev up kit. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get today started. I have work in a few minutes, so I need to hurry up, do this oil change, and put this bad boy on. So first we're gonna go ahead and start off with the kit. I've already unbolted the, let me clear this out for you guys. I've already unbolted this negative terminal, and pretty much the terminal here is connected to the body of the car right next to the fender. So it's really just a 10 mil both ways around, up here for this negative terminal and up here, and then this should come right out as 2 bolts. I'm trying to see if I can give you guys a good view of it, but it's really dark, so it's right here. And I'm just taking it off right now, and we should be able to put on our new guy right there. Gotta get the camera too. What you getting? Sony, right? For that. Ace know what he's doing, apparently. I still got to teach my brother how to drive stick or scare my mom. Do that too. Yeah. Next, we are going to start the car and make sure we have power and things of that nature. Alright, now all that's left is changing the oil for the car. And you guys don't really need to see that, so I'm just going to go ahead and do a time skip. Alright, all that we got left is just to add oil. So yeah, I'm trying to flip this around and get you guys, well, oil adding action or something. Let's see what I can do. Alright, everything has been done. Thank you guys for watching the video. It's a quick video. Don't know how long it's gonna be, probably about 4 minutes. But hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you on the next video, which will be the tune. So catch you guys later. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and